using Quick Connect with telescopic rod. Equipment needed for Quick Connect sensor maintenance: telescopic rod, safety rope, locking key. Personal protective equipment. Road safety equipment. You see here a sensor mounted with Quick Connect. First, attach the safety rope bag to the mast structure. Next, attach the safety hook and the carabiner to the telescopic rod. Place the rod on the ground below the sensor. Start extending the top section. Lock the flip lock when fully extended. Extend the sections until you reach the support arm. Hang the safety hook between the sensor and the mast. Twist the rod to release it from the hook. Insert the rod into the Quick Connect. Turn the rod clockwise to attach it to the sensor. Shorten the rod so that it hangs freely. Make sure that the rod is perfectly straight. Lower the rod back on the ground. Mark the spot. Tug the rope. Extend the rod to lift the sensor. Keep the rod on the ground at all times. Lower the rod while braking with your hand. Detach the rod from the sensor. Lifting the sensor back to the mast. Attach the rod to the sensor. Place the rod at the mark. Lift the sensor up section by section. Use the flip lock as a brake. Lower the sensor onto the bracket. Turn the rod counterclockwise to release it from the sensor. Remove the safety hook. Lower the rod section by section. Detach the rope and hook from the rod and put them in the rope bag.